Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Chaudhary and today we are going to learn static data in Python. Static means that the member is on a class level rather than on the instance level. Static variables exist only in single instance per class and are not instantiated. If a static variable is changed in one instance of the class, the change will affect its value in all other instances. A static variable in Python is also known as a class variable. All variables which are assigned a value in a class declaration are class variable, and variables which are assigned values inside class methods are instance variable. Let's see an example of static data. In this example, I'm going to create one student class. And passing two parameters, name and age. Now let's declare one static variable called branch of the student, and it will be CSE, and let's define the init method. Already we have an init method. We need to declare a class variable or the static variable here. And will be initialized to CSE, and the instance variable will be defined or declared here, which is name and age. So we have two instance variable, name and age, one static variable or class variable called branch. Let's create an object of the student class, Amit 25, and another student S2, let's say Rahul 22. Now if you're trying to access the branch of these two variables, then we are getting the same branch because that static variable is shared by all the object of the class. So if you execute it, you can see here we have the output CSE for this branch attribute, which is a static variable. Now let's say I'm going to change the value of this variable using the class name student.branch equals to IT. Then both the student will become the student of IT branch. Now here is the output CSE. First these two students are of branch CSE. Later on we have changed the branch, then they will become the student of IT. If you try to modify this branch attribute with that instance variable, then let's see what's going to be happen here. I am again changing back this S1 student to IT. So here is the output, printing S1 with branch. So let's see what is happening here. This S1 is now back to the branch, but this branch variable is dynamically added to the instance variable. We can look at it here. Print S1 dot underscore dict. Now if you see the output, age, name, and branch, and for the another variable you can see it has only two variables. Now S1 try to modify this branch, so this branch variable will be associated or as dynamically we can add runtime any other variable also. Let's say roll number equals to 21. So this roll number will also come in this dictionary. You can see here roll number. So we are dynamically adding the attributes for that particular object. Now, but suppose after adding these two variables, I'm going to create another object called S3. Then we can only pass the name Ankit 24. Now, if I'm going to print the dictionary of this variable, S3, still we have only 3 variables. So this 2 variables that we are adding dynamically to S1 object is associated with S1 only, and it not be shared with all the other objects. It have only the default attributes, name and age, for S2 and S3, and S1 has 2 additional attribute branch, which is added at the runtime. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understand the static data in Python.